How to buy S&P 500 Index Fund MooMoo. To buy S&P 500 Index Fund MooMoo, follow these steps. First, go to official website of MooMoo and click on Login button. Then log in using your email address or user ID. Then from the dashboard, click on Markets option. Then click on US section from the top. Then click on S&P 500 option. Then scroll down and click on ETF section. Then you can see all the S&P 500 index funds and select which one you want. Then click on bottom left corner trade icon. Then select Buy. Then select the session you want. Then click on Order Type. Then select the order type. Then select the price you want. Then enter the quantity you want to buy. Then review everything and click on Buy. And your S&P 500 index funds will be bought. Thanks for watching.